Hello everyone, and welcome back to English Tour. I am Alex.
And I am Maya. We are very happy that you are joining us again today.
Today we are going to talk about something that many people discuss every single day.
That is right. Today's topic is talking about your job in English.
Whether you are meeting someone new, talking with colleagues, or attending a job interview, people often ask questions about work.
Questions like, "What do you do?" or "Where do you work?" are very common in everyday conversations.
For English learners, answering these questions confidently can make a very strong impression.
By the end of this episode, you will know how to describe your job, talk about your daily tasks, and ask others about their work.
So let us start with a simple question. Why is talking about your job important?
Your job is a big part of your life. Many conversations begin with questions about work.
For example, when you meet someone for the first time, they might ask, "What do you do?"
They might also ask, "Where do you work?" or "What kind of work do you do?"
When you can answer these questions clearly, your English sounds confident and professional.
Talking about your job also helps you practice useful vocabulary related to work and careers. Let us begin with the simplest way to introduce your job.
You can say something like this: I am a teacher. I am a software engineer. I am a sales manager.
These sentences are short and clear.
You can also add where you work.
For example, I am a teacher at a high school. I am an engineer at a technology company. I am a sales manager at a marketing company.
These small details help people understand your job better.
After you say your job title, people often ask another question.
They ask, "What do you do at work?"
This is your chance to describe your daily tasks.
For example, you could say, I help students learn new subjects. I design computer software. I manage a team of employees. I communicate with customers.
Simple sentences like these explain your responsibilities.
You can also describe your typical workday.
For example, I start work at 9 in the morning. I attend meetings during the day. I answer emails and work on projects. I usually finish work at 5 in the evening.
These sentences help people understand your daily routine.
Another useful thing to describe is your workplace.
For example, I work in an office. I work from home. I work in a hospital. I work in a school.
You can also talk about your environment.
You might say something like this: My workplace is very busy. My workplace is friendly and supportive. My office is quiet and comfortable.
People often ask what you like about your job.
You can answer in simple ways.
For example, I enjoy helping people. I like working with my team. I enjoy solving problems. I like learning new skills.
Talking about positive aspects of your job makes conversations more engaging.
Sometimes you may want to talk about challenges at work.
For example, my job can be stressful sometimes. I have many responsibilities. Sometimes I work long hours.
These sentences describe realistic experiences at work.
Now let us talk about asking other people about their work.
You can ask polite questions like these. What do you do for work? Where do you work? What do you usually do during your workday?
These questions help you learn about someone else's profession.
And they help create meaningful conversations.
You can also talk about your goals and ambitions.
For example, I want to improve my skills. I want to grow in my career. I hope to get a promotion in the future. I want to learn new professional skills.
These sentences show motivation and ambition.
Let us imagine a short story about work.
I work as a project manager at a technology company. Every morning, I start my day by checking emails and planning my tasks. During the day, I meet with my team and discuss our projects. In the afternoon, I focus on solving problems and helping my colleagues. At the end of the day, I review the progress of our work.
This is a simple way to describe a workday.
Many English learners forget the verb to be.
For example, some people say, I'm working in an office.
But the correct sentence is, I'm working in an office.
Always remember to use am, is, or are when necessary.
Now it is your turn to practice. Talk about your job or your studies. Describe what you do, where you work, and what you like about your work.
Practice speaking for 5 to 10 minutes.
Things to practice at home, at the office, or while you are traveling are given in the description below.
Use those practice sentences to improve your speaking confidence.
Talking about your job helps you communicate in professional situations.
It also helps you introduce yourself confidently when meeting new people.
Remember, the key is to use simple and clear sentences.
With practice, you will become more comfortable describing your work in English.
Thank you for joining us today on English Tour.
We hope today's episode helped you learn how to talk about your job in English.
Keep practicing and using English in your daily life.
And we will see you again in the next episode of English Tour.
Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep growing.